Wake up, champ.
5 more minutes.
Breakfast first, dreams later.
Depends on the dream.
I got something for you.
No way. Is it really for me? Dad, this is the one I wanted.
I know.
Ah! This is awesome! Awesome!
I'm glad you like it.
Guys, look what I got!
Have fun, son.
Hey, look, it's the trash guy.
Your dad smells like garbage.
He probably likes it too.
Please do not throw more on the ground.
Why not? You'll clean it anyway. Stop talking to him like that. What? Is the trash kid mad? Whatever, let's go.
They're the rude ones, not you.
Dad, do they always say stuff like that?
Sometimes people don't understand work.
Your shoes are broken.
They still get me home.
That is not enough. You need real shoes. You used all that money on me. And you still wear those shoes. I can sell this. Dad needs something more.
That is all I can offer.
Okay, I'll earn the rest. Every bottle helps. Every coin counts. Hard work. That's for today. Just a little more.
Day by day, small things turned into a gift. Saving!
Can I help you? I need strong shoes for my dad. They are good work shoes.
He is going to smile so much. I think so too.
Happy birthday, Dad! This one is really for you. Watch out! Hey! There, stay there! Do not move any farther! Okay, this can work. Just one little push. Come on! Please, not today! No! Stay! I got it! I got it! Please, don't go! Wait! I'm coming! Just wait! Oh! No! Please, don't take it! I got it! I really got it! What? Where is the other shoe?
No.
I tried so hard. And it is still broken. Sometimes love arrives tired, wet, and unfinished. I do not know what to say to him.
Tom, what happened?
I had to get it back. Happy birthday, Dad. I tried to save your gift.
Look at me, Tom. I ruined it.
I'm sorry, Dad. It's a broken gift.
No, son. You did not ruin anything.
But there is only one.
It's okay, we'll fix it together. Don't cry. It's not broken, Tom. It's the perfect fit. Because I can feel your love in it. This is the best gift I ever got.
But it is not complete.
It's perfect, son. Thank you. Love does not need to look perfect. It only needs to be real.
I thought you wanted a full pair.
I wanted my son safe and kind. Come here, let's clean you up first.
Thank you, Dad. I tried.
Well, I suppose this is my life now. Come help me.
Taste it.
It's good.
I'm home.
Mom!
Is that a cake?
Happy birthday!
Look at that, son.
So many candles. You kept it out here?
Of course I did. Yes, because it came with your effort, your care, and your love.
Ready for school?
Yeah, but I feel different today.
That's wonderful.